Let's play a game. I call the fact.
And you answer is it true or false. If you answer correctly, +1 point. If not, 0 points. Calculate the number of points and get the title.
Humans are the only animals that blush. Truth. Humans are the only species known to blush, a behavior Darwin called the most peculiar and the most human of all expressions. It remains uncertain why people blush, and voluntarily revealing our innermost emotions, we do know how it works. The most common idea is that blushing helps keep people honest, benefiting the group as a whole. Hippo milk is pink. Lie. The short answer is no. Hippo milk is definitely not pink. Like all mammals, hippos produce milk for their offspring that is a white color. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. Truth. It is true that the DNA of a banana and a human is almost 50% the same. Does this mean that we are 50% banana, as they say on the net? No. Absolutely not. You need to understand DNA more deeply. What are these genes responsible for? And then, in addition to genes, there is also an environmental factor that affects genes. And naturally, development changes under the influence of the environment. This is the percentage of similarity in DNA does not mean evolution, it does not mean that this is really a big similarity. A chicken lived without a head for 18 months. Truth. Mike the Headless Chicken is perhaps the most famous example. Its owner, a farmer named Lloyd Olson, chopped his head off in 1945, but the chicken just didn't die. So the family kept him around and dropped food and water directly into his esophagus. It finally gave out after 18 months and considerable media attention. The banana tree isn't a tree, it is a big grass. Truth. The banana tree isn't a tree, it's actually a type of herbaceous plant because it doesn't have any trunk. It is technically the biggest grass in the world. You eat 8 spiders per year while sleeping. Lie. Luckily for all of us, the fact that people swallow 8 spiders in their sleep yearly isn't true. The myth flies in the face of both spider and human biology, which makes it highly unlikely that a spider would ever end up in your mouth. Now you see a list of ranks on the screen, count your points and determine your rank. Write it in the comments.